Every minute that children are here at Jackson is crucial. And so what that means for us is that every day we have a group of 4th and 5th grade students who come in and load the computers before school starts so that the computers are ready with Imagine Learning right at 8:30 for the young people to go in and start working.
Good morning, Jackson staff and students. It is a wonderful Wednesday today as we follow our time.
Starting at the beginning of the day, our principal does announcements, and after the pledge and the announcements, children that have been assigned to Imagine Learning get up, they follow a teacher into the labs, and for 25 minutes they're on the program.
We use data from DRA testing and our PALS assessments, our MAP testing, as well as other classroom assessments, and we've taken about our lowest 20% of children and have placed them on the Imagine Learning program to boost and assist their reading skills.
We do this twice a day. We do it with our K 1st and 2nd graders at 8:30, from 8:30 to 9, and then from 1 to 1:30 with our 3rd through 5th grade students.
And then the classroom teachers and other specialists throughout the building have the remaining children in their class that they are able to work with the average student or accelerated student and are able to provide boost to their instruction as well. So we are looking at both ends of the spectrum with all of our children. We have our lab designed so that we're able as teachers to be able to stand at the back of the classroom and observe all of the students at once. We walk through the classroom and make sure children are staying on target. You can identify whether a child is having trouble or needs assistance on the program. So that minimizes the number of staff members that need to be in the lab working with the children, and it allows our teachers doing some teacher time, is what we call it.
Some of our children will work on the smart boards with a teacher, and some of them will work on the iPad in a small group. The goal of those teachers is to pull small groups of students that are not being successful on a particular skill and then have teacher time and reteach that skill using the iPad app.
In this classroom, our Title I teacher has pulled a few children out of the Imagine Learning and is using the smart board to focus on skills that need more intensive remediation.
I love the fact that we can target instruction, and in a building like Jackson where we have a very transient population, the children can go on the program, they take the assessment, we find out where their holes are and in what areas. When we look at that data, we can take that back to the teachers, and then we can target more instruction, whether it's in the guided reading group or making sure that we have that covered in a grammar lesson, or just using the apps on the iPad from Imagine Learning so they get additional instruction. We have guided reading in all of our classrooms, and as part of guided reading, the students transition between different centers. And one of the centers is the iPads.
We do what we call double dosing, and we give them another boost of Imagine Learning and skill-specific instruction in areas that they need to do more support. What you will see in this guided reading session is that the groups are going to move about every 12 minutes, and we have 5 activities are going on. At one of those activities, we have the iPads for Imagine Learning. Each of the students are working on different skills because it's customized for them. So as we rotate groups by color, the children will be doing just their independent work.
The program Imagine Learning can't replace what's done in the classroom, but it certainly enhances what's done, not only by providing us the information about skills that children are missing, but providing the information in another way.
I hope to grow well-rounded children. I want our children to succeed academically. Imagine Learning has been a very wonderful addition to our school, and we're very fortunate that we're able to bring children that experience right here at Jackson.